see, it's my film. I can't say. You have to ask them.
Right. So we asked Sonakshi's mother, sir.
Yeah. Climax is going on, but yeah, it's so
So, but
going on.
people are appreciating any compliment did you get for now?
No, we see, it's my film. I can't say. You have to ask them.
Right.
It's
So we
just
asked
a-
Sonakshi's mother, sir.
Yeah.
At Sunny Super Sound, she is just blank and she has no words to say. बोला कि Sonakshi is the best performance in the movie.
अच्छा, अच्छा.
And Prabhu can get the best out of Sonakshi. That's what.
So sweet of her, and still people has to say it's.
So लेकिन compliment क्या मिली वो तो बताओ sir.
No, still not. It will finish.
So,
and
but
you must ask them.
Before
I
that
think.
also there were sir, so many screenings out there.
No, I
Anyone
think.
from Bollywood
Really?
can compliment? Yes,
No,
sir.
no. This is the first.
None?
First.
Sunny Super Sound?
Still, movie must be going on in theater में कुछ like noises.
No, I'm
people must be
praying for
clapping.
God, and now though it's in your hand, and you have to wish us.
So now you have explored yourself in all ways, sir. Whether it's been dancing, sir, in direction, sir, or acting, sir. So what's next, sir?
Let me do this correctly.
So your New Year plans?
Nothing.
Resolution, sir? Going out with family
Many
for
things.
vacation?
Yeah, I'm going with them.
So can you wish our viewers a very happy New Year?
Happy New Year. Happy Christmas.
Sir. So लेकिन सोनाक्षी और अजय में से कौन बेटर?
ये दोनों साथ में इसलिए बहुत बेटर लगता है. दोनों इंडिविजुअल तो बहुत अच्छे हैं.
So लेकिन
दोनों
can we say that this is the right time to release a movie because December month, Christmas month, holidays with this and vacation?
बिल्कुल यही तो पिक्चर है. मार धार मस्ती डांस पूरे हिंदुस्तान को उसने हिला दिया. अभी कल पब्लिक हिलेगी.
So best part about the movie?
फैंटास्टिक एक्शन और अजय ने जो डांस किया which is fantastic.
So any
Very
Christmas plans you have, sir?
Sorry?
Out for vacation with family for Christmas?
दिसंबर में जाएंगे डेफिनेटली. कहाँ है वो बाद में बताऊंगा.
Sir resolution तो बता दो क्या लेने वाले हो?
वही पूरी फैमिली आज प्लानिंग करेंगे चल के.
Sir, what are the wishes for the viewers for Christmas?
दिवाली की मुबारक बहुत क्रिसमस की बात नहीं. मैं बोला दिवाली की मुबारक बहुत बहुत दे दी. क्रिसमस की मुबारक टाइम आने दो यार. पहले से क्यों मुबारक बात देते हो.
मैं फिल्म में काम कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे अच्छी लगी. बहुत यानी कि मज़ा आया. देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ एक्शन, द डांसिंग, बहुत ही यानी कि फुल मसाला एंटरटेनर है. तो आई थिंक लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद आएगा.
Compliment मिला कोई? मतलब
हाँ, मिल रहे थे. यानी कि सीनों में तालियां बज रही थी. तो दैट्स मोर देन एनी कॉम्प्लीमेंट दैट यू कैन आस्क फॉर. थैंक यू.
your New Year plans and resolution if any?
नो रेजोल्यूशन, क्योंकि मैं कभी रखता नहीं हूँ. और एंड नो प्लान्स. सिट एट होम, ईट सम फूड, दैट्स इट.
Just wish our viewers, no?
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू द व्यूअर्स.
कुणाल, लास्टली आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, आपने फिल्म में भी काम किया है, लोग थिएटर में बैठ के देख रहे थे, आपने रिएक्शंस भी देखा होगा. अजय के डांस के बारे में लोगों का क्या ख्याल है और आपका क्या ख्याल है?
मुझे मज़ा आया. आई थिंक उनके वो जो हाथ वाले स्टेप्स हैं मुझे वो बहुत पसंद आए. जो इट्स एन एक्सक्यूज टू डांस, बट चल जाता है.
थैंक यू सो मच. लोगों का टेल अस समथिंग. वेलकमिंग रिस्पांस हो रहा है. क्लाइमेक्स के लिए लोग रुके थे.
Yeah, I think it's something very different that we've attempted. Generally, a female negative character बहुत different चीज़ है. And मेरा first time movie में है. And I think इस type का character भी पहली बार हुआ है. So अभी तक तो बहुत positive feedback है. पर ये लोग सब मेरे अपने हैं तो मुझे नहीं पता. Tomorrow, when the audience sees it, I will actually get to know if they like it or not.
सबसे अच्छी कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या मिली आपको?
कि मूवी में सबसे different बात मैं थी.
मनस्वी,
But I'm not boasting है. मुझे बोला किसी ने.
मनस्वी, आपके अपने लोग, अपने दोस्त सब यहाँ पे बैठे थे, लेकिन आपने एग्जाम पहले दे दिया है, रिजल्ट कल लगने वाला है. एक्साइटेड, नर्वस?
I'm actually, अभी तक मैंने फिल्म देखी नहीं थी. पहली बार मैं देख रही थी. And I was very, anxious कि कैसा turn out होगा. And I've seen it and I'm quite satisfied. And कल तो बस, it's about destiny and luck and what audience likes and doesn't
But do you
like.
agree with my point saying that December is the right month for a director to get his movie on tour because there's holidays, there are people who it's because it's
I think so. Think so. Because when I was working and when I was in school and college, and this was the time then we would watch the maximum movies. So I think yes, this is a good time.
So any
Fingers
random
crossed.
projects?
Right now, no, just this. There are a few projects, but we're just talking. Nothing's finalized yet.
Only verbally.
Yes.
Perfect.
Your New Year plans, Christmas plans, and your resolution.
I haven't planned anything. This was the plan till now. After the response of this, I'll plan what the next step will be and all that. Nothing planned so far.
Are you going for vacation with your family for Christmas or New Year?
Nothing's planned right now.
No resolutions
No. I have
also?
nothing planned right now. I'm just not the planning person. I just know what I'm doing tomorrow. That's it.
Go with the flow.
Yes.
Has Ajay or Sonakshi or anyone from amongst the star cast given you any compliments since you are, it's your first
Yeah,
film?
they're very sweet. They've always given me compliments and they've always encouraged me. Also, at the song launch, Ajay sir was saying very nice things. So they've always said that. So, they've been very nice.
Only the wishes for the viewers for Christmas and New Year.
Hi guys, wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Dancers in Bollywood.
Yes, I'm very proud of that.
So what about Prabhu Deva? Does Ajay Devgan? How happy? Tell us something about
I
it.
think
please.
Prabhu Deva manages to get the best out of her, whether it's her dancing, whether it's her expressions, and her acting also.
Ma'am, Christmas आ रहा है तो any plans, vacations या resolutions?
Yeah, we might go to Pashupatinath.
Wow. Thank you so much. Any resolutions you have?
Resolutions, no. I don't think it's good to keep resolutions because we don't really keep them,
Right.
So it's better to just follow the day.
Can you just wish all the viewers for the
Happy New Year to everybody and a happy Christmas to all our dear friends.
Thank you.